Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix Microsoft Excel is waiting for another application to complete an OLE action. So guys, to resolve this problem, open Excel, then click on File, then here click on Options, here click on Advanced. Now scroll down. Now guys, in general section you will see ignore other applications that use dynamic data exchange. So check this box, then click on OK. Now reopen your Excel. Hopefully this method will work. Second method, again click on File, Options. Now this time you have to click on Add-ins. Now here Manage Add-ins, click on Go and unselect this all. You have to unselect this all add-ins, then click on OK. Now close and reopen Excel. So this way guys, you can fix and resolve Microsoft Excel is waiting for another application to complete an OLE action. Thanks for watching. Please comment this method work for you or not.